what's up? It's just a fishing vid. Getting pretty late. I'm gonna try to pull some nice ones out of here for you guys. Let you see them. This right here is a video for John Taulbee. John, we're gonna save this video for you until you get back, buddy. We got about 13 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and talk. Actually, we got 8 minutes on here. Sorry, I lied. Me and Buster's out here. We're gonna show you a video of some of the bass we catch, and I'll save the other video for you too. And we'll let you come out here and catch some again, buddy. Here's Buster.
What up, Taulbee?
Boy, Buster's got him one.
Look at my pole, Taulbee move, TJ. Boy, she's a pretty one, Taulbee, I can already tell. Yeah, she's a little baby, she still get her.
Go in and grab it, boy. Show Taulbee. Bottom lip, baby. Bottom lip.
Can I do it like this?
Yeah, hurry up.
She's gonna flip, ain't she?
Nope. Go ahead and grab it.
Yeah, she is, dude. She's about to flip.
Grab it with your left hand. Your left hand, grab it.
Flip.
Grab it. Stick your tongue all the way down in there. See? Done flipping.
Taulbee, that was for you, buddy. I ain't never grabbed me a damn fish out of this damn lake ever, and I never probably will again. There she is, boy. Buddy, she's a pretty, and I can't wait till you get back here with us.
Here, we'll go ahead and
14 more days, buddy. 2 weeks and counting, baby. 2 weeks and you'll be out here with us catching some of these.
We'll shine a light on there. You can see it.
I don't got his tongue, dude.
Hold it up. That's fine. Look at that, Taulbee. Nice big bass. There you go, buddy. That's for you, buddy. Here, take it. Sit down the water like I always do.
No, I'm just gonna throw a blade in there. Fucking did it, dude. Fucking bad.
See, it's not bad once they flip. You don't want to get it down too far. You want to get it right on the edge, right there on that bottom.
I got it right down there. It's fucking hurt, kinda. I did it, Taulbee.
That's the first time he's done that, Taulbee. First time. So take that one to heart.
That was for you, buddy. That one was for you.
Well, Taulbee, I got me a worm on here now, buddy, and I'm gonna show you a little bass fishing.
See what I do to my line. Oh, it is?
Oh, that was a little one, Taulbee. Didn't get my worm, though. That's all I care about. Damn, I wish I'd have caught that one for you. That was a nice one. Nice little one.
Taulbee, I ain't gonna miss that one for you, buddy.
Pound and a half.
You already know I got me a big ass dip in, bud.
Oh, yeah. And,
He's over here pinching Skoal. What the hell?
Skoal
Whenever you get
Vanilla.
home, you better bust his balls for this, Taulbee. Taulbee, I know it's been 13 weeks of hell for you, bud. 13 weeks of hell with no dip, and you said that fucking drill instructors are pinching in front of you. That shit ain't right. Hell, if I was allowed, I'd just send you a whole fucking 18 logs of it. Probably need more than that, though. Let me go out here and show them how the fuck it's done. Maybe not.
Here, I got you one, Taulbee. Yeah.
He got you a bass.
I got you one, buddy. I promise you one. Oh man, rolling, baby, in rolling water.
Got me a bluegill, Taulbee. I don't take these off. I ain't gonna tempt.
There you go, Taulbee. I caught you a nice little one right there, boy. Get that sunset in the background. See how long it is. There you go. About as long as the tip of my hand to about my elbow.
Just picture of my pecker, Taulbee.
I don't know what the hell's up with this kid, but he won't take a damn bass. He won't take a damn bluegill, but he'll take a bass for you. That's something, kid, because he would not do it for me, or my last video we did. I got about 7 minutes on here now. It's 2 bass within a couple minutes.
You didn't get my worm?
Taulbee, buddy, this one's for you. I'm throwing it back out and get me another. I was gonna throw it backwards, but I decided not to.
Oh.
It's getting a little dark out here. Might have to throw in the trusty old night bobber.
I wish I could throw it backwards for you, Taulbee.
Taulbee, I think I got on my bait, buddy. No, he did.
Whoop! Hello, Taulbee. Got to my bobber fly, one-on-one.
Well, buddy, I think we're going to night bobbers. It's about that time. It's getting a little chintzy out here on light. I know you're used to seeing the fucking sunset. I guess you're tired of fucking looking at this video. Well, buddy, have it good. Have it easy. We'll see you in 3 weeks, buddy, and we'll be back.
2 weeks!
2 weeks. Fucking sorry. 13 days. We'll see you in 2 weeks, and we'll be out here fishing. We didn't tell you this yet, but this is your surprise. We're taking you fishing.
Jesus Christ!
For most of the fucking night. We got a big catfish down here swimming.
You do more than one. Hell, that's like a damn human being!
Scaring the piss out of Buster and everything, but we'll go ahead and take you out to the lake here in a little bit. This is for next time, by the way. Take you out to the lake here in a little bit and give you your big surprise and let you come fishing with us. And we'll even autograph your pole for you if you want us to.
Taulbee, we'll see you in 2 weeks, buddy.
2 weeks, man, and we're gonna update in about a week and let you see that how we've been doing and everything. Hope you take it easy, buddy, and hope everything goes well. See ya. Say bye, Buster.
Woman's ass, baby, here we come. 2 weeks and you'll be back in Middletown. We love you, man. We miss you.